Ends the game in defeat today. How do you feel about your team's performance?
Well, I'm a bit disappointed, but it's a young team, so yeah, I think they need more games, but I'm satisfied.
All right.
Disappointed.
All right, coach. Coming into the season, you said that you just wanted to get the boys together and just participate and keep it going for the next 3 years. How do you feel about that? Have you guys met any objectives as yet halfway the group stage?
Well, not really. I think they are a bit timid. Even passing the ball, they are afraid. So we'll have to just keep pressing and hoping that one day they're gonna have the confidence to really do what we expect them to do.
All right, coach. Where do you go from here?
Oh, we have another game on Saturday. We play Spanish Town, so we'll see whether or not we can get a few points from that.
All right, coach. Thank you for talking to us.
Yeah,